Welcome to AutoCAD Electrical Pro. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install AutoCAD Electrical 2026 step by step, including the system requirements you need before starting. Let's get into it. So first you go into your browser and you type in Autodesk. Autodesk is the provider for AutoCAD Electrical. So you open up their website, you go to the sign in section. I will be creating a new account as I'm a new user. So you enter your email. It sends you a code to your email so they can verify you're the owner of that email address you entered. You confirm your first and last name. Create a new password for your Autodesk account. And your account is ready. Now that I'm logged in to my new account, I go to my profile, products and services. AutoCAD Electrical is showing there. It automatically detects my operating system, Windows 64, and the 2026 is the version that I want. It is downloading the install file. Go and open that thing. Starting to prepare the installation. And there you go. So here I get a warning that we might get into some performance issues because of the Access Runtime and 64-bit version of Office not installed. So it's a good time to have a look at the system requirements. Here you can see, although it says AutoCAD 25, it means that probably they still have the same requirements. 64-bit Microsoft, 2.5 gigahertz processor with 4 logical cores, 4 GB RAM, 9020 by 1080 resolution, display card 2 GB GPU with 29 gigabyte per second bandwidth, and 10 GB disk space. Check your specs meet the requirements so you ensure that the program will run without any issues. I'm not going to include the content migration utility for AutoCAD Electrical because I did not have a previous installation of this software. This install takes a little bit of time, so if you want, this is a good time to have a pause and grab a cup of coffee. Okay, so it's telling me now that the install is complete. I am opening AutoCAD Electrical 2026 for the first time. It will ask you to sign in. So it's going to take you to the sign in page on the web browser. You re-enter your email address and the password you used to create your Autodesk account. Again, confirming your email address with the code. I'm going to trust this device. This backup code might be important at some point to recover your account. Open product. Now open Autodesk Identity Manager. So that basically takes me back to AutoCAD Electrical. This is to share information on your usage so they can use it for future development. That's fine for me. Now, this is again the issue about the 64-bit version of Access. AutoCAD Electrical uses Access for some of its databases. It is important that you have that running smoothly. So now here it tells me that either my version needs to be repaired or that I might need to reinstall. Let me see. I'm going to follow their instructions here and open my control panel. I'm showing you everything that I'm doing, programs, programs and features. So I actually don't have it there. I'm gonna go into Microsoft's website and download the English version, 64-bit. There we go. Another install. So a second opportunity to grab that cup of coffee. This one's slightly quicker than AutoCAD's installation, but still a few minutes. Installation is finished. So now I should be able to go back and reopen AutoCAD. There you go, no message. Excellent. You can see here the default projects that they provide with the fresh install. I'm going to just double check that this opens without any issues. There you go. You can zoom in, zoom out. Seems to be running great. Very good. So now I can close it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more AutoCAD electrical tutorials.